Look at that impact. We did it. Let's go. Okay, good. Get rid of it.
Wait, isn't your car parked over there?
Hey, good morning, A-Team. How y'all doing today? I hope you guys are feeling fantastic because we got a great vlog for you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. So up here, we're up on our little balcony, you could say, to our carriage place, which is where we do most of our filming. So we're gonna head on down because we got something to talk about. So let's go. Up here in Columbus, Ohio, we got beautiful 10-degree weather. Feeling kind of cold, got the snow. Oh, little sneak peek on a future DIY project. If we zoom in over there, nice little salmon ladder. But let's keep going. Can't show too much, So we're gonna head into our place of work real quick. Get inside here, get all nice and toasty. Ooh. So here it is, a little behind the scenes look on how we actually work here on this channel. So we got our filming studio, kind of a mess over there because of all the confetti. I mean, come over here, look at this confetti. Oh boy, confetti cannon, go check it out if you haven't yet. But we also got some of the future upcoming stuff that we're gonna be doing over there. We got our messed up work table, but that's not important, We gotta focus on what we're doing today, and that is trying to figure out a future DIY project. So what we're gonna be doing is making explosive arrows from the Avengers. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. What we're gonna do, get some fireworks, get some arrows, get a bow, test things out, and just, see how it goes. I mean, something could go wrong, we never know. But we're gonna do it just for you guys because we love you guys. So that is what we're doing today. So let's go ahead and go to the fireworks shop. So we got a nice little 48-minute drive here because the closest fireworks shop is pretty far away. I'm not sure, do you guys have any local fireworks shops where you guys live? I mean, here in Columbus, we rarely have anything, but we gotta go away because we want this to happen. So a nice little 47-minute drive now, and we will catch you guys on the other side. Guys, here we are in the fireworks shop and it is lit. Get it? Because it's a fireworks shop. Alright, so here we go. In this area, this is around kind of what we're gonna want. So we're gonna want these bottle rockets. Take a look. Alright guys, we made our choice. We're gonna go with these Airstrike bottle rockets here. They got a nice fuse, they're pretty big size, and I think they'll make a pretty big explosion. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let's go. Alright guys, Phantom hooked us up and they gave us 2 of the same ones for the same price, so we're pretty happy. We got, I think, 20 rockets to test out, so let's go see how it goes. We got a long drive home. Hey, what is up guys? So we are back at the house, what seems to be the longest drive of our lives, but Kyle, the guy recording, is outside right now on the phone, and while he wasn't looking, while we were at the shop, I grabbed some of these red Snap crackers. So you basically throw them down, it's gonna make a really loud noise. So we're gonna see if we can freak him out a little bit, so we're gonna go hide behind that door and see when he comes back in the door. Okay guys, so we got a nice little small bow here and we got some arrows, so we're basically gonna try this out. Set the bow down. So this is just basically, we're just gonna be trying to see if this is possible. So what we're basically just gonna do is just, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just tape it together, light the fuse, pull back and release and see if it explodes something. Let's get to work.
What are you doing over here, buddy?
Oh, just taping some arrows to explosive fireworks, you know?
Oh.
Casual Saturday stuff.
Sure.
All right guys, so we got our arrow done. So you can see it's just fireworks taped onto the arrow, and you see we still have the arrow tip out so it can stick into the ground. So our theory behind this is that we shoot it up, all right? It lands in the ground facing down, sticking into the ground, and that way the firework will go off down and cause some sort of explosion, right? And we gotta back up just in case things don't work out, so let's give it a try. My name is Ashton Stark. This is my channel. This is my life. This is Ashtech Industries. Make sure you're subscribed. That actually worked out pretty well. Holy shit, let's go. Oh, look at that impact. We did it. Let's go. Ready for this? Here, light it real quick. Good. Get rid of it.
Wait, isn't your car parked over there?
Run. Push it, run. We got it. Get some snow. Oh shit. Oh, thank God the fuse died. Oh my God, holy. Look how close this was. Oh my God. Okay, lesson learned guys, be careful where you shoot these things. Oh God. I think we need to shoot one more, let's go. So Ashton, what do you do when it's cold outside in 10-degree weather, when your hands are freezing cold? Well guys, I shoot exploding arrows at the snow. I get a phone call. Okay, light it one more time. Oh, my hands are frozen. All right, light it. Let's see it. Oh, it's stuck, it's smoking. Oh, that was a big one. Let's check it out. Oh, look at these projectiles, look at that. Jesus. Another beautiful impact. Oh, that is charred. Jeez, look at the grass around that. That is a solid spot. All right guys, that is the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like below and make sure you join the A team. Just smack that subscribe button right in the face. I will see you guys next time. See you later.